In this session, let's understand what a database is. We all know data is very important for organizations to make their decisions, right? Yes, they need to store the data in a secure and right place so that they can retrieve the data, modify the data when necessary. They can store the data in the files, but data in the files is not organized and is not easy to manipulate. So, all the organizations store their data in a database. So, a database is referred to as a collection of information stored in an organized manner so that we can easily access the data and modify if necessary. Okay, when I mean organized, it means data is organized in the form of rows and columns, which we call it as a table. You see here we have a table called customer and we have two rows and three columns. Data is organized in the form of tables which contains rows and columns so that it can be easily accessed and modified if necessary. So, by organizing the data into tables, it is easy to update, insert, delete, and also it is very easy for the applications to query the data stored in the database. Right? Yes. So we need a software to manage these databases. Right? Yes, that software is called as DBMS, Database Management System. These softwares allows to define the data, manipulate the data and retrieve the data in a easy way. Okay? These softwares use a language called SQL, which means structured query language, to perform various operations like insert, delete, update, and retrieve operations. Okay, later on, RDBMS software was introduced. RDBMS refers to Relational Database Management System. In the Relational Database Management System, the database is modeled based on the relational model. In simple terms, a relational model means establishing relationship or connections between two or more tables. If you look here, we have sales table and a customer table, and we are forming the relationship between those two tables using the column customer ID. Right? Such way of representing the tables using common columns is a relational model. Okay? Some of the RDBMS software in the market are Oracle Database, IBM DB2, and Microsoft SQL Server. In this course, we will be learning about the Oracle Database. Okay?